Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my Robinhood portfolio, and this is going to be the beginning of my $1,000 challenge for 2019. Now, everybody's welcome to join my challenge if you guys want to. It's really just for myself, but if you guys want to grow with me and, we can compare in the comments and send screenshots to each other. It's going to be long-term holding. We can all share our progress throughout the year. And if you don't have a Robinhood account and would like to start trading, I'm going to have a link in the description. If you use my link, we will both get one free stock worth between $5 and $200. It's generated randomly. Now, before we get this video started, go ahead and click that like button. It helps my channel grow, and I'll appreciate it a lot. And also, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can get updates on all of my videos that I upload. Alright guys, so let's get into the portfolio. So the first stock that's in my portfolio is right here. It's Enphase Energy. This stock is on my list because I want to have this stock for a long time. Basically, the amount of electricity that utility and small scale solar installations provided in the USA grew over 25% in 2018. And as you can see right there, it went up 52% in the past 3 months. And according to some of the information that is given out, that means that solar power generated about 2.5% of the country's electricity last year, and the EIA expects the figures to grow another 35% or more by the end of 2020. The company is growing so quickly that honestly, its parts suppliers are having a hard time just keeping up. And the supply contract that was signed with will have microinverters put into the solar modules that SunPower manufactures. That deal alone will add about I think like $65 million in annual revenue at a gross margin of about 34% once the supply is fully open at the end of the year. Now, this stock doesn't have any dividend yields or anything, so I'm not going to be getting anything from that. My second stock is right here. It's Aurora Cannabis. This is a recreational pot stock. Basically, they're expanding production capacity, which is, this is going to bring a lot, this brings the stock to my attention, as I like when a stock is growing. And with all the partnerships that the company has, this should bring in about 700,000 kilograms by peak time in 2021 and 2022. While other companies are, doing about 500,000, like Kron. And Aurora, its presence is in about 24 countries right now, including Canada, and I think as of yesterday, Germany. Aurora launched a cannabis oil, product in Germany yesterday, and yesterday, the stock kind of went up a little bit, and today it's been going up as well. The next stock on my list, it doesn't really even need an introduction. Everybody knows this one. It's Microsoft. So pretty much with Microsoft, the reason I picked it, this is a long-term hold for me. It's a stable stock in my opinion. It seems to be around $100 lately, a lot, and it pays a very good dividend in my opinion. It's about a 1.7% dividend, which is pretty much the main reason I picked Microsoft. And I think in long term, Microsoft is gonna go up, and I'll make some gains on that one. The next stock I have on the list, and the last one, which actually just started going down as it was up for the day, it's McDonald's. This is actually a stock I talked about in my previous video. I see McDonald's as having like continuous growth for a long term, and if you scroll down here, it actually has a pretty nice dividend of about 2.3%, which I actually just missed out last month. In the January earnings, McDonald's reported about $1.97 earnings per share for the fourth quarter, which topped the analyst estimates of $1.90. And the company had revenue of about 5.16 billion during the quarter, and a lot of investors have a target price of around $205 for McDonald's, which I'll be happy with. As long as we can get it above $200, that'd be great. As you can see, I just started this yesterday. This is going to be the journey, so pretty much if you guys want to join, you can use that link for Robinhood, and send screenshots, leave comments. Also, leave in the comments what is in your portfolio and what you think about my portfolio. What stocks do you guys think I should add? I have a few ideas. And also, how much do you guys think I should be adding every month? Because I'm going to add some money on there every month so I can keep growing until the end of the year. Um, I'm just gonna scroll through some of my watch list. I have a lot of different stuff on here, and I've traded most of this stuff. I used to do penny stocks and day trading before, but I have a lot of stuff on my watch list. I like Coke. I want to add that on there. Um, Kraft Foods has been crashing down. Boeing. But yeah, guys, make sure you leave a like and press the subscribe button, and leave in the comments below what you think about this portfolio. All right, guys. See you next time.